Hello, citizens. Today we're going to go over extra stuff that is on your shop profile. So basically, announcements, slides, other cool stuff. So we're going to go over where they are and how to edit. All right, let's go. Okay, now there's some other stuff you can do for your Etsy shop. There's a lot of things you can add. So we're going to go back to your shop, right? So I'm on Etsy.com. I'm logged in already. We're going to go to your profile. We're going to go visit your shop. Let's scroll down, click edit your shop. Okay. So there's a few things you can do. You can add a shop announcement. So let's say if you're running a sale or a discount or whatnot, that's where you should put it. For a certain holiday times, like let's say for Christmas, whatnot, you can put your ship date time. Excuse me, your ship date there. Let's say, if they're in the US, you know, they should order by this date to be able to get it delivered on this date. Okay, that's what the shop announcements are for. Scroll down. Updates. This is something you would have to do on the mobile app. This is not something you can do on the desktop yet. Okay, about. Now, this is really fun. Now, here you can add up to 5 photos with captions and you can add a video. It's not either or. They all go on a whole slideshow. And this is fun because you get to put you and, your workspace or what you work with. If you got a cute little advertisement video, you can probably add that in there. Okay. Now, story headline. Now, this, again, kind of like what we did on your profile. This is when you get to tell them a little bit about your business and why you do what you do and, what you love and all that good stuff. So when you add the story headline, that would be like considered like a header, right? It would be really, really big font. And then the little story comes afterwards in paragraphs, however you write that out. Okay. Now around the web, like if you have a Facebook page or Instagram, you can totally add your links here. Now shop members are also fun. You get to put a little picture and then a little description about yourself or whoever else is helping you in your business and what they do. That's always cute. Now there's also an option if you also sell locally, like at craft fairs, at a flea market, let's say, whatnot, you can add that there. Okay. Shop policies are very intensive. Basically, it'll give as he gives you a set of policies, and then you can add a FAQ section where it's like shipping times. You can add whatever you want, basically. Okay. So this is some of the pre-made stuff policies that as he puts shipping, returns, and exchanges. All right. So then you publish the shipping policies, right? And this is again the FAQs I was talking about. So let's say your frequently asked question is, how long does it take to ship? How long does it take to make this item? You can put whatever you want there. Okay. And that's it. Okay, citizens, before I go, I want you to check out the link below in the description, right? Sign up for my email list. There, I'll send you awesome freebies, cool workshops you might be interested in, or other videos that might be helpful in your journey. Also, don't forget, if you don't quit, you won't fail. And it's never too late to follow your dreams. All right, bye-bye now.